Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the units of measurement in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below. Because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my core YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Booking app. Here it opens up in the search menu. From here, we just have to go into the profile menu, scroll down, tap on settings, and here we have units. You can select this and then switch between imperial and metric. And as you can see, it changes that easily. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.